Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Know the router SSID and exact password, and place the TV where it gets a strong signal. Use the TV remote to open settings and locate network or connections. This starts the Wi-Fi flow. If prompted, update firmware now to avoid compatibility issues. Updates fix security and driver bugs. Once done, choose wireless or Wi-Fi, and the TV will scan for networks. Make sure your router is broadcasting the SSID, so it appears on the list. You now pick your network from the scan results. Double-check the SSID to avoid joining a neighbor's. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully, use the remote's keyboard, or pair your phone for faster input via the TV app. Once authentication starts, the TV negotiates encryption and IP assignment. This is why exact characters and the correct band matter. If your TV doesn't see 5 GHz, switch to 4 GHz. After authentication, wait for an IP address and a confirmation message showing connection success. Finish by testing with a streaming app or the TV's network test to confirm internet access. This verifies both connection and routing. If the TV says connected but content won't stream, reboot the router and the TV, power them off, wait 30 seconds, then restart to clear caches and IP conflicts. If problems persist, assign a static IP or custom DNS as a targeted fix, but try DHCP first. And if you still can't connect, check router MAC filtering or contact your ISP for modem issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.